Hello everyone, check out our Instagram page for upcoming diecast releases and please follow for future updates. Hello collectors, in today's episode let's check a new mainline releases from Hotwheels, a 5-pack set and a Tarmac Works Lancia Rallye car. A new and great casting for 2022 for hypercar collectors, an upcoming Pagani Zonda R in black with big spoiler and 10-spoke gold rims. A recolor for Porsche 935, this time in orange, with spoke chrome rims, a beautiful side decals and big spoiler on rear. Hotwheels 5-pack set HW City has been found in South Africa. Cars in a set are a backdrafter, the Hollinator, Surf and Turf, Total Disposal and Diora 2. Lancia 037 Rallye test car. A beautiful casting with crash bars, top spare wheel, rear opening trunk, a significant suspensions and Pirelli badging on wheels. This is your host Yash signing out. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell icon so you can stay up to date.